In this lesson, we'll tour the WhatsApp web chat module, the place where every WhatsApp conversation lives right inside your CRM, and everything you can do with it, one screen at a time. First, where new messages show up. Whenever a customer writes to you on WhatsApp, a green icon in the top bar collects the latest conversations. You click it to see who wrote and a short preview of each message, without leaving the page you're on. For the full picture, open the chat workspace. This is your WhatsApp inbox inside the CRM. On the side, every conversation your business is having, newest first. The search box at the top finds any chat by name, number, or message text. Click any conversation to open it. The whole history opens on a single timeline, the messages you received on one side and your replies on the other, each stamped with its time. Anyone on your team with permission sees the same thread, so nothing stays stuck on one person's phone. Two details worth noticing inside a chat. A double check mark next to your message means the customer has read it, and when someone reacts to a message, that reaction shows right under it, the same small touches you'd see in WhatsApp itself. Now the part that ties WhatsApp to your CRM. Under each conversation, a badge shows the customer's record, a lead, or a contact. The system matched the chat to that record automatically by the phone number, so you always know who you're talking to, and their history is one click away. To reply, you type in the box at the bottom, exactly like any chat. You can add an emoji or attach a file, an image, a document, a voice note with the paperclip. When you press send, the message goes out from your connected number. That link works from the other direction too. Open the customer's record, here their lead, and a WhatsApp tab appears on it, gathering every conversation tied to this person. From any lead, contact, or account, their chat history is right there on the card. When you send the same message often, save it once as a template. Open the Templates page. Each template can include merge fields, like the customer's first name, written with $signs. When the message goes out, each field is filled in from the record, so a saved message still reads as personal. Templates really pay off when you message many people at once. From a list of leads, you select the ones you want, open the Actions menu, and choose Send WhatsApp. You pick which number to send from, choose a template, and add a merge field so every message stays personal. The system spaces the messages out and only sends within your allowed hours, so a large send stays safe. And it can also run on its own from an automation. That's a separate lesson. Every message the system sends is recorded in the send log. At the top, a running count of what was sent, delivered, read, failed, and still pending. Below, the full list, each recipient, the message, and its status, so you can always see exactly what went out and to whom. One more screen you'll want to know, your numbers. This page lists the WhatsApp number connected to your CRM and shows its status at a glance. Here, a green connected label means messages can flow. Each team member can connect their own number, and a manager decides who can send and who can view the logs. Now, the settings behind all of this, starting with who on your team may use WhatsApp. Open the configuration page. Every connected number is listed here, next to the people allowed to use it and whether it's active. To change that, you click Edit. You choose who uses the number. Those team members can send messages and read the chat logs. And separately, who is allowed to connect the number in the first place, so a manager stays in control of the business WhatsApp, instead of it living on one person's phone. The same page also controls how a big send behaves, your sending settings. Two things matter here. First, the hours. Messages only go out during the times you set, here from 8 in the morning to 8 in the evening, so no one is messaged in the middle of the night. Second, the pace. Instead of firing everything at once, the system spaces the messages a few seconds apart and sends them in small batches, so a large send stays natural and your number stays safe. And a reminder on the page keeps you sending only to people who agreed to hear from you. That's the WhatsApp web chat module end to end. Your inbox in the header, the full chat workspace, conversations tied automatically to your records, reusable templates, mass send, a complete send log, and your connection status, all inside Dinamic5. That's it for this lesson. See you in the next video.